So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from virtual Visa card to PayPal account. So if you want to transfer funds from a virtual Visa card to PayPal, you'll first need to log into your PayPal account. So let's do just that. From that point, you can go to your wallet, link the virtual card details and use it as a funding source. So from this point, you can see a couple different tabs, from notifications and your profile in the top right to the hamburger menu in the top left. At the bottom, you can see home, send request, and wallet. So from this point, just go to wallet. You can see the balance, your activity on the PayPal. You can also see add banks and cards as well as online purchases. So from this point, just go to those banks and cards, or rather add a card to be a bit more precise. So you can find the option debit and credit cards, and you can go ahead and add that as a way to connect your virtual Visa card to your PayPal account, and you can use that Visa card as a funding source for your purchases that you may use. And it's also beneficial because a lot of different shopping sites won't permit that specific payment method, but a lot of them do have an option for PayPal, so you can use that as a funding source while still using PayPal as the app that's going to connect the two, and then you can start spending with your virtual Visa card. So that's about it. You can then also try an alternative invoice method if that direct balance reload is blocked, but for most virtual Visa cards, this would be the way. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.